Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some more bento box work lunch ideas. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Mom Bento, and featured in this video is one of their square bento boxes. There is also a discount code for you in the description box below this video. This time I'm doing some tray bake meal prep to last for the week. The first tray bake being CAJUN tofu chicken and vegetables. For this I first made a marinade with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of maple syrup, a tablespoon of garlic puree, the juice of half a lime, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of onion granules, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of dried herbs, a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes, a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne, and a quarter of a teaspoon each of fine sea salt and ground pepper. And I mixed all of those together in a bowl. I took a block of firm tofu and tore that into chunks in a larger bowl. Then I poured in the marinade and gently turned it through to get the tofu pieces well coated. I then set that aside in the fridge to marinate. And I next took a red and green bell pepper, trimmed those, then sliced them up into chunky strips. I next took a red onion and I cut that up into some chunky wedges. I took my non-stick baking tray and added on the chopped veg, followed by the marinated CAJUN tofu chicken, and I just roughly spread everything out evenly on the tray. I then took 5 small pieces of corn on the cob and nestled those in between everything. And then that went in the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After that time it looks a little something like this. And so once cool I just scattered over some fresh chopped coriander, and then because the corn was quite bulky I put that in a separate airtight container, and then the CAJUN tofu chicken and vegetables in a separate smaller airtight container. And so those were then done. They can then be covered and kept in the fridge. The second recipe is for a Harissa Chickpea aubergine and cauliflower tray bake. For this I took a small aubergine and I sliced that up into rings, then sliced the rings into half moons. I then took half a head of small cauliflower and I just broke it up into florets. I then took a lemon and sliced that up into rings. I added the aubergine to a bowl along with the cauliflower florets, and then 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of harissa paste, a quarter of a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and a quarter of a teaspoon of ground pepper. I then tossed that to combine everything and get the vegetables coated well in all of the oil and harissa. I then just tipped that out on a non-stick baking tray and spread it out evenly. I then nestled in the lemon slices, and I also added some baby cherry tomatoes on the vine onto the tray as well. I love these roasted, hot or cold, but if you didn't want to roast them, just add them in after. I then put that in the oven to roast for around 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and just shuffled it halfway through. I also then, once it was cool, added on a handful of halved pitted black olives and a handful of fresh chopped parsley. I then transferred that to an airtight container as well, and that also then went in the fridge. Onto the lunches, and if you follow this as a weekly lunch plan, the first lunch idea is a CAJUN tofu chicken and vegetable wrap. For this I took a tomato wrap and I laid out a handful of mixed salad leaves. I then followed that with half a sliced avocado, and then I placed on a third of the CAJUN tofu chicken and vegetables. Added on some coconut yogurt and also a little tomato salsa. I rolled that up, cut it in half, and then that went in the main section of the Mom Bento square bento box. I also took one of the corn on the cobs and just cut it in half, so that also went in the same box, just tucked down the sides. In the pot I put some coconut yogurt, then to that I added some cubed mango and some blueberries. I then took some chia tortilla chips and I put those in the other section. I filled a little sauce cup with some hummus and I added added that in with the chips, and that was that. The lids for these boxes are sealed to prevent any leaking. You push the lids on and then close the little tab to keep it airtight. The cutlery set comes separately, but you can get them to match your bento box as well as the sauce cups. I share so many wrap ideas in these lunchbox videos because they're one of my favourite things to have for lunch on the go, and I just think they're great for using leftovers up, and this one was delicious. The texture of the tofu when baked is really meaty. It's so flavourful from all of the spices, and together with the creamy avocado and coconut yogurt and a rich tomato salsa is all a combination that's so tasty. The second lunch idea of the week is the Harissa Chickpea, aubergine and cauliflower bake with couscous. For this, I just added a small portion of leftover pre-cooked whole wheat couscous to the main container. I then added almost half of the Harissa chickpea, aubergine and cauliflower bake to the box as well, followed by one of the tomatoes on the vine on top. I put a handful of mixed salad leaves in the spare part of the other box, along with some cucumber, and then I also added some coconut yogurt into the little sauce cup and placed that in with the salad. Then in the pot I put some sliced up Trek white chocolate and raspberry vegan protein flapjack with some strawberries and some blueberries too. I find couscous is again a really good lunchbox option. It literally takes minutes to make if you do make it the same morning, but a great tip too is to cook extra the night before when making dinner, so you have leftovers for lunch the next day. Whether that's couscous, pasta, quinoa, whatever. There's so much flavour in this from the harissa. It's got a little bit of heat to it, but it has so much flavour, so it works really nicely with the coconut yogurt also added in for creaminess. But there's so many textures too, from the chickpeas, the aubergine, the cauliflower and the black olives. Obviously the lemons aren't really meant for eating, it's more for adding the flavour, and I also find they help preserve the bake and keep its freshness. The third weekly lunch idea is a creamy Cajun tofu chicken and vegetable pasta salad. For this I added a small portion of leftover pre-cooked pasta to a bowl. I then added in a third of the Cajun tofu chicken and vegetable bake, followed by a tablespoon of coconut yogurt and a handful of fresh chopped coriander. I then gently mix that together until combined and then place that in the main bento box. I added a handful of mixed salad leaves to the spare compartment in the other box with some cucumber slices, and then on top of that I added 2 pieces of the corn on the cob. I'd also put some chili flakes, coriander and black pepper on these for even more flavour. Then in the pot I added some blueberries as well as a naked snack bar and also some fresh strawberries. This is a really delicious pasta salad. Again, it's just so quick and easy to put together with all of the leftovers. It works really well as a cold dish, but if you do have the option of being able to heat up your lunch at work, the Mom Bento bento boxes are microwave safe. I would just miss adding the coconut yogurt when preparing the pasta, and maybe put some in a sauce cup to add on when it's been heated up. All of the flavours and textures are delicious together, and the corn on the cob is a really great lunchbox snack which works really nicely with the pasta salad too. The fourth lunch idea is a hummus, Harissa chickpea, aubergine and cauliflower wrap. For this I took another tomato wrap and I spread on a layer of hummus. I then added on a handful of mixed salad leaves, followed by the Harissa chickpea, aubergine and cauliflower bake. I also added on some more harissa over the top and some fresh parsley. I then rolled that up, cut it in half, and then that went in the main bento box. I also tucked some salad leaves down the side of the wrap and added in some of those roasted vine tomatoes too. In the spare section of the other box, I put some more of those chia tortilla chips, and then in a sauce cup I added some hummus, so I put that in with those too. And then in the pot I put some fresh strawberries as well as some sliced kiwi fruit. Again, this is just another really simple wrap idea using leftovers, but it's so delicious. The creaminess of the hummus together with the harissa chickpea, aubergine and cauliflower bake plus extra harissa is so lovely. You could also take some of the tomatoes off the vine and add those into the wrap as well. You could also add in some coconut yogurt too. If you didn't want to do this as a wrap, you could also do it in a flatbread or some pita bread instead. Those would work really great as alternatives. And then the final lunch for the weekly plan is a Cajun tofu chicken and vegetable quinoa box. For this, I first added some leftover pre-cooked quinoa into the main bento box. And to that, I added the remaining third of the Cajun tofu chicken and vegetable bake. I also had a few of the chia tortilla chips left, so I put those in. I had some avocado that needed using up too, so I sliced that up and popped it in. I added in the half of the lime that was left over from the marinade I made at the start of the week. And then I took one of the corn on the cobs and just shaved the corn off with a knife over everything in the box, and I also added on some more fresh chopped coriander too. In the pot in the other bento box, I put some coconut yogurt, and to that I added some cut up strawberries and some blueberries. And then in the spare part of the box, I put some mixed salad leaves, the last corn on the cob, and also some more of those leftover tomatoes on the vine. I think this was my favourite box from the whole week. It was so incredibly good. So many flavours and textures from the quinoa, the meaty tofu chicken, the crunchy chia chips, the creamy avocado, the juicy corn and the fresh lime juice. It was such a tasty combination together and just made use of everything that was left over at the end of the week. And that is it for my week of lunch ideas. Thank you again to Mom Bento for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the description box underneath this video as there's a discount code for you to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon. Bye!